going to start this video out with Daryl has removed what we referred to as the Hobbit door that went into the downstairs bathroom, and he's putting new door jamb and a door that we've taken off of one of the doorways that we've removed. We're going to put that in, so that's what we're starting with, and then we're going to move upstairs to the utility room. We are currently putting HardieBacker board in the utility room so that we can put tiles down in here. Ceramic tiles. So Daryl's spreading out some thin set.
And I am not proficient at this.
And then once he gets the thin set, all the boards in, then we will
Screw it down.
screw it. So he's already pre-cut and measured the boards, so they should all go in easy cheesy.
Yeah. I already fed this one in. Why is it not going out there?
I think people are going to like your sweatband.
Yeah.
It's a little hot in the hizzy.
This one can move my gap right here, but that's probably okay. This one's already stuck. Just about.
Oh, there it moved. There you go.
That'll work. Alright.
Awesome, awesome. Last piece.
Almost ready for screws. Ooh.
So we're ready, spread. 1/4 inch. That's it. And screw down where the mark on the board. Once you get this done, we can start drilling right away. You don't have to wait here. Wait till we have to wait. It's fighting to get something, like, put it back. Would you agree? Yes. True, it's already still in, but, hey, it's still fine. You may think it's going to this point, but it's still water here in it. So getting water in, it's going to water, so might as well go ahead and get the water in, over the, everything back in. You look like it's about 12, but it makes it a little backwards, but it's order, you gotta go in. Alright, number 6. This also gives us an opportunity to try our hand at that tower, because we're both novices, so we start our utility room, which is on the second floor, so I don't really think like it's don't really like visitors to our utility room. So
Hey, 2
it's a good place to start.
I think 1 was extras.
So 3 more? Alright, so if I record anything.
We're going to screw it, and then we're going to take the points.
Okay, take it once. So now we'll screw it.
Oh, we got the rifle.
I think it else. Yes, and that's on the porch, but we're working in an area, this small, everything's coming out. Already got your drill bit, loaded on the drill, so you ready to go? Take any away. This up. It's not ready to go. Okay, focus. No, that's not recording.
It's been a long day.
Yes, it has. Yes, it has. It's been a long day.
But sometimes long days pay off.
I love the shine. Glad I was able to find one polished that wasn't matte.
Now we can't walk on it for 24 hours, and I'm stuck here. I may have to spend the night here. Lisa says I'm like Spider-Man. But
We had forgotten and taken this window out. So he had to crawl along the wall in order to put that window back in.
And yes, headbands are coming back.
Yeah. Okay, be careful.
Without falling.
So now we have moved down to the first floor bathroom. This is the next day, and Daryl's putting Hardy backer board down to start. Okay, so today we are going to be doing grouting, but before we do that, we are going to do a little bit of drywalling. Now you may say, why don't you go ahead and drywall the whole room? We can't until we get electrical inspection. But in order to put the
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Lisa doing Harold Humboldt House, take 2 after the air compressor shuts off, and action.
So, in order to put the water heater in place, we're going to go ahead and drywall behind the water heater and up to this point, because there's no electrical back here.
And we do have an electrical permit, but we have to have everything inspected before we cover it up. So we haven't had our rough-in inspection yet.
And while it is true the water heater will stick out a little bit, it'll still be a lot easier to put just the thin piece of drywall in instead of trying to get it all the way behind the water heater. Or take the water heater all the way out again. So we're just going to do this corner with the drywall. And this is plumbing. This isn't electrical. I don't know if you would know that or not. Some people might not. So we're going to do that. Once we finish that, we are going to start grouting the floor.
Don't move my stool. Just right. Just right. But only if you top bombs on this.
And now we are beginning the grouting process, and this is in the utility room upstairs. And I would just like to say that the utility room here is the very first room Daryl and I ever tiled. This is the second room I've ever grouted, because I didn't put the tile down in our current bathroom, but I did do the grout. So we are very much newbies at this whole process. So after we finished grouting this room, we moved ahead and went downstairs and grouted the bathroom. It had been 24 hours since we had tiled it as well. But I did not get a video of that. I figured there's only so much grouting you can watch. But I do show the end result. So in here, we have the floor in, we have the tub and the sink and the toilet in. And earlier, I was prepping the inside so that tomorrow I can reglaze it. And that'll look all good and clean. And there's my feet. I do need to do a little touch up at the top of each of my feet, but I think they look good. Too close. And there's my mosaic. I think it looks really good. We do need to put a piece of sheetrock back there before we hook the tub up completely. Although we are far enough away, honestly, we could probably sheetrock it pretty easily if we want to. But yeah, sink's in. He went ahead and put my little mirror in, although I've got to repaint it. Sink's in, toilet's back in, floor is in.